What's up? Welcome back. Today I'm going to run you through the steps on changing your T-Box in your Ultra B. How I noticed my T-Box was faulty is I connected to the app, which all connected fine, but when I tried to go to the GPS, it wouldn't load up the GPS. And you do need to have your T-Box working with your SIM card, so Surron knows where you are in the world and they can push those firmware updates to you. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that when I get my T-Box working, that I can then push that firmware and get that wheel lift control. I'm not 100% sure that'll work just yet. I think Surron may be still holding it to mainland China, but fingers crossed it works. Here it says offline. That's the indication that I got that my GPS wasn't working. The T-Box is located underneath the battery lid, so obviously first you need to remove the seat. Remove the battery if it's installed as well, and have everything disconnected. Your T-Box is right there. So to get that out, you need to remove either one of these ends to get that off, and then there's 4 screws just here to undo. You also need to take your ignition cover off because the plug is behind that. So I bought my bike through Surron Australia, which was great because when I had an issue, I raised it with them and they sent me out a warranty T-Box free of charge, no hassle. It arrived in a week. What I got in my bag is another T-Box. It looks like the SIM card packet, which may have already been installed, and then some QR codes to scan once I install this. My SIM card is already in here, so I just need to connect that up and see if it works. This is just set up just to plug straight in. I don't need to do anything to it. But before I put it all back together, I am just going to plug this in, put the battery in there and test it out, make sure it does work. I've successfully bound the bike back together with the new T-Box, and now you can see my status is online. That means everything is working. That would never show up before. So I tested the new T-Box, everything works, got the GPS location working. Still no over-the-air update for that wheel lift control, but that's how you get it done. Now I'll just put it all back together. And that's how you change your T-Box. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.